Today we're going to be looking at disabling your LODs. So in your environment, when you zoom in and out, especially if you're using, for example, Megascan's foliage, you'll notice that they will pop into different sort of meshes, and that's saving on your performance. Now, this is great for runtime when we're actually playing a game, but if we want to just have a nice render, I don't usually want to see my foliage sort of popping between different LODs as the camera's moving around. All you got to do is press the console command button, which is the button next to your 1 key, writing the words foliage.force LOD space 0 and press enter, and it will set all your foliage to the base LOD, so the highest detail one. If your static meshes are also doing this, so my vines are static meshes and they're doing it too, you can write in, so again the console button, or just click it at the bottom, r.force LOD space 0 and press enter, and it will force everything in your scene to the lowest LOD.